I'm gonna mount that Dodge trailer hitch to my lawn tractor, and I'm gonna do it by, I traced out the shape, cut along the edges there, fold this down, set this in place, and then I have to elongate that hole for that bolt to fit through. I mean, it's only a 20 amp breaker to my garage, so yeah. There we go. There we go. That's definitely a penetration to the that one might be a little questionable. Oh, that one definitely got penetration. And that one got penetration too. Oh yeah, I'll add a couple more tack welds. Probably right there in the center. Now we can call it a day. My little helper piece. Tack welded in lots of places. And as soon as I find my stop before blue. Hot. Oh, hell. There we go. There we go. Penetration. She's penetrated, baby. Just like I penetrated in the moment. So I gotta cut these off. And I'm gonna weld that right there on the end. Just like that. Alright, burst guard is welded to the front of my brackets. These brackets I had pieces, I don't even remember what they were from. Just this was free, that was free. I had lost a bolt, but I just had there's two on the other side, so I went ahead and added. That ain't coming off, and that ain't coming off. She's penetrated, baby. And there we go. I got lots of room in front in case, you know, you hit something fast, and it looks badass, man. And everybody got a view of my tow hitch had on the trailer today. The Zombie Mower.